Hi Dolly, happy Thursday guys. So Dolly's watching the fishing. She was squawking before for a treat, but she's already been given a treat before Dolly. So what it is it's quite cute. I give her a little bit of toast with some Vegemite on it. I pop it in over there. She picks it up, she walks over, she pops it in her water bowl, which is spring water. And how you, Dolly? You funny girl. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo, Dolly. And yeah, she pops her piece of toast in the water and lets it sit for about 3-4 seconds, and then takes it out, and then she pops it in her food bowl, and then she nibbles away at it. I think that's cute, intelligent, but yeah, I don't know. We are meant to be watching the fishing, Dolly, and you were going to say hello to the good people. Yeah? And so you don't go squawking loud. Hey, warning guys, she could have a big squawk out of the blue. She gets a little bit, maybe it's just because of the phone. That's her way of dancing. Are you dancing? Dancing, Dolly? Dancing, Dolly? You want to say hello, good people? Or good night, or happy Thursday, or peekaboo, or pretty girl, or yeah, like that. Thank you. You are a pretty girl, Dolly. Thank you. Just a sound warning in case she squawks out of the blue. Guys, just, I don't know if that's going to happen. You are a pretty girl, Dolly. Yeah? And we have an ad on TV right now, so the blue water isn't there anymore, is it, Dolly? For now. So yeah, sorry guys, the squawk. So that's Dolly's way of saying she's upset about something. Maybe if I change, I don't know if it, oh my goodness, I hope that's not an infomercial. Alright, I'll put on something else. Look, there's real people, Dolly. Look at that. Good people, yay! Yay for the good people. I'll just put the volume up for a few secs so she can hear it. The TV's on. Just thinking about it. Yep, look, on TV. Who's that? I don't know who that is. Yay, they're clapping. Good people on TV. Sorry guys, it's hard to get her to talk sometimes, like when she's not in the mood. But when when she's in the mood, I just don't have the phone there all the time. And she loves her talking. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Dolly. Or actually, that used to be gecko, didn't it? Yeah, it used to say gecko. Because that's what geckos sound like. Little house geckos. They're only tiny, they're nothing to worry about. Oh, unless they get in her cage, they might be a bit of a meal. Hey, Dolly, I don't know. But I don't think a gecko would do that. I don't think they're silly. So, Dolly, is there anything you'd like to say to the good people? Oh, it's a little bit of a preening time. This is tummy preening time, which Dolly does a lot of. You're a very clean girl, aren't you? Forever washing your little tummy and your wings. Yeah, yes you are. You're a real pretty girl. Yeah, pretty girl. Well, it's good you've said a few little words for the people. Oh, that was an actual gecko if that picked up. Yeah, alright, well, watch out guys, she could squawk out of the blue. I'm just giving a warning because I'm not sure. And I don't want to sort of stop the video because she does a big out of the blue squawk. It can happen. Yeah, when you least expect it. Alright, I'm sitting behind the couch here. Oh, there she is. Oh my God, love her. She's picked up, I was telling you about this toast before. Who is she? She's picked up the toast, what was left over, and she's popped it in the bowl. Now she's eating it. Yeah, and that's the one she put in the bowl that had Vegemite on it, and she's tucking in. It's only got a little smidgen of Vegemite, and I did Google first, so it's all good, guys. I didn't do the wrong thing. So she's going to do that. So she probably won't talk now because she'll have a mouthful. Anyway, love to you guys. It's been rainy here in Queensland, Australia. It's been very wet, but that's good because it has been hot as well. But okay, well, bye for now and love to all. Take care. See you guys.